let's get ready for kid-friendly yoga session with Ishan. Ishan, I know most of the times you're happy and excited, but other times when you have felt other emotions, what?
Happy, sad, angry, and mad.
Oh, so when you feel these emotions, what do?
Take a step back and do a deep breath.
Can you show how to do a deep breath? How do you feel?
Relax.
Okay, and now I heard that you recently started doing yoga.
Yeah. Yoga is very powerful.
Okay, let's begin our yoga session. We'll start with Om chanting, okay? It's very important to start our workout in the right frame of mind, breathing correctly. We do this by?
Chanting Om.
Okay, now Ishan, can you sit in any comfortable cross-legged posture? Okay, yes. Can you take a deep breath and exhale with the Om sound?
Om.
Let's repeat again. Can you close your eyes? Take a deep breath and exhale with the Om sound.
Om.
So chanting Om calms you down. Now let's do the bee's breath. So Ishan, taking a deep breath creates a moment of pause and help release tension. When you take a deep breath, how do you feel?
Relax.
Okay, now can you sit on your knees? Can you sit on your knees? Okay. Can you become tall in your spine? Arms at the back. Can you take a deep breath? And can you put your forehead on the ground and buzz like a bee? Okay, come back to the normal position. So Ishan, when we feel stress, anger, frustration, it can be helpful to try the cat pose. Cat pose can help change the way you feel. So you're already sitting on your knees. Can you come to the table position? Okay, yes. Now Ishan, can you breathe in and look up? Yes, arching your spine downward. Yes. Now can you breathe out and look down? Yes. And arch your spine upward. Yes. Can you breathe in and look up? Yes. Can you breathe out and look down? Yes. Yes. Now can you come back to the table position? Yes. That's good. Okay. So now let's do the downward dog pose. The downward dog pose gives balance to
Mind and body.
Okay, so Ishan, can you become on the table position? Yes, okay. Now slowly, can you raise your hip towards the ceiling? Yes, your head and shoulders hanging freely. Okay, can you breathe in and hold? Can you breathe out? Okay, can you become a three-legged dog? Yes, now can you come back? Now can you come back to the table position? Yes, can you come back to the normal position? Good. Okay, so now let's do the child pose. In yoga, a pose used to take rest is the
Child pose.
child pose gives you a moment to self-soothe. Okay, Ishan.
Soothe.
Right. Ishan, are you already sitting on your knees? Sit on your heels. Okay. Now, Ishan, can you take a deep breath? Now, Ishan, can you rest your head on your thighs? Okay. Arms stretched out in front of you. Take a deep breath and rest. Now slowly get up. Come back to the normal position. Okay, so let's do the cloud pose. Ishan, when something is bothering us, letting it go can feel very empowering. So what do we do in the cloud pose? We scoop up all the frustration and just release it. Okay, now Ishan, can you stand up? Okay, can you take a deep breath? Bend your knees. Yes, bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees. Okay, scoop up all the frustration. Hold. Can you breathe out? Can you stand tall and straight now? Okay, and hands up in the sky. Hold. Come back to the normal position. Good. So now let's do the tree pose. The balancing in the tree pose gives rest to the frustrated
Mind.
Yes, now let's do the tree position. Can you stand straight and tall? Okay, Ishan, can you rest one foot on one ankle? Yes, and your hands palm to palm up in the sky. Yes, take a deep breath and hold. Slowly come back to the normal position. Yes, now can you put the other foot on the other ankle? Yes, and hands palm to palm up in the sky. Yes, can you hold? Yes. Now come back to the normal position. Good. Okay, so now let's do the last yoga pose of the day, Shavasana. Shavasana completely
Relax the body.
Yes, now can you sit down first? Okay. Can you lie down on your back? Yes, yes. Now can you take a deep breath? Yes. Legs little apart. Arms side by side, palms facing upward. Yes. Now can you take a deep breath? Yes. Now can you exhale? Yes. Now as you exhale, attempt to release all the tension from your body. Yes. Now can you get up and come back to the normal position? Yes.
Birthday.
Hi kids.
Hi kids.
Hope you like the video.
Hope you like the video.
Subscribe
Subscribe
for more videos.
videos.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.